Now I'm going to show you how to clean the objectives. If you need to clean the objective, like if there has been spillage on the objective or if there is just a little of dust, you would need to use a lens cleaning tissue and a small spatula, and you can, if like it's organic material, using isopropanol to remove the material on the objective. So you need to put the spatula inside the lens cleaning tissue paper. So you do it multiple times. Again, it's to avoid scratches, so you need to have a soft surface. Okay, I think that's fine. Then you could potentially put some isopropanol. And then you would gently clean the objective by starting from the center and doing some circles from the center out. So now you know all about cleaning properly the objective in case of spillage or if there is any dust on the objective. Please remember to avoid scratching them, so use the proper lens cleaning tissue and put enough lens cleaning tissue around the spatula. Thanks for watching and work safely.